Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks. This process ensures your credit card expenses are properly tracked and categorized, making it much easier to manage your business finances and stay on top of your spending. To get started, you'll need to click the plus new button, which you'll find either on the left-hand menu or at the top bar of your QuickBooks dashboard. This button is your gateway to creating all types of transactions in QuickBooks, and clicking it will open up a menu with various options. From the list that appears, select Expense under the Vendors section. This opens the expense form, which is specifically designed for recording payments made to vendors and merchants. Once the form is open, look for the Payment Account drop-down at the top. Click on it and choose your credit card account from the list, then make sure to select credit card as your payment method. This step is crucial because it tells QuickBooks that this transaction was made using your credit card rather than cash or a bank account. Next, you'll need to enter the payee name in the designated field. This should be the vendor or merchant you made the payment to, whether it's an office supply store, a software subscription, or any other business expense. After that, set the payment date to match the actual date when the transaction occurred. Accurate dating helps keep your financial records precise and makes reconciliation much smoother down the line. Now enter the amount of the credit card charge in the payment field. Double-check this amount to ensure it matches your receipt or credit card statement. In the category field, select the appropriate expense category that best matches your purchase. This categorization is essential for tracking where your money is going and for generating accurate financial reports later. If you want to add more context to this transaction, you can include a description or memo in the notes section. This is particularly helpful if you need to remember specific details about the purchase. You also have the option to attach a receipt or supporting document by clicking the Attach icon, which keeps all your documentation organized in one place. Finally, click Save and Close to record the credit card charge in QuickBooks. Your transaction is now logged, properly categorized, and ready to be included in your financial reports and reconciliation processes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.